Hello everyone, I welcome you to this short video, and I'll be showing you this tiny piece of wonder, which is my mini GPS tracker and monitoring device. But before I start, I am Shonde Abiola David, the CEO and founder of TrackTech Integrated Solutions, and we offer services such as web designs and development, monitoring and tracking solutions for cars, vehicles, and any other thing that needs to be secure. We also offer branding services, SEO, digital marketing, building material supplies, and all that. So, but that's just that a brief about me. This tiny piece of wonders just arrived from our vendors in Asia, and I just want to give you a little tutorial about what to do. Here is the box, very tiny box, and you can get it for as low as 10,000 naira. You can get this device installed on your car, your motorcycle, anything for as low as 10,000 naira. So this is what you will need. You get this tracker. You can order it from our website at www.tracktechsolutions.com.ng/shop. You can order it for just 10,000 naira. It's a bonanza, it's a promo price. It's going to go up very soon. This is just a tiny tracker, and if I open it, you'll see what is there. This is the tracker, and you have a slot for the memory card up here and the SIM card, and these are the two things you will need. Inside the box you have a USB device that you use in charging it whenever the battery is low. The battery should take you up to 7 days. You can remove from where you are keeping it, and you can recharge and use again. So this is how we started. The first thing you need to do is to have a registered SIM. If you want us to install it for you, we won't collect much money from you, but we can do it for as low as 2,000 naira. We'll get it installed for you, but you have to get a registered card yourself. And if you want us to do that for you, that will be an added charge. Then of course it doesn't come with a memory card, so you have a memory card. The least you should have is 4 gig. So this is an 8 gig memory card device that I want to use for this short video. The next thing you do is just to install. Put your memory card first into the tracker. Very tiny tracker, it can fit to anywhere you put it. So far the surface, even if it's a metallic surface, you can easily put it there. Okay, let me put the SIM card first. So as you can see, I'm putting any network will work. Then after that, I'll put my SIM card. You discover something now. I want to show you something. Can you see the red light? You can see the red light indicating to you that there is the tracker is working and it's already ready to work. So the next thing you do is just for you to cover it with the cover and just place it wherever you want to be. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how we can use this tracker effectively. So if you are here to get this product, kindly use the link below. And I will show you how it's been installed and how you can use it for anything you want to do. Thank you very much for your time.